Ndewono. No Igbo Daily. In the last class, we're talking about school, ụlọ akwụkwọ. Today, we will also continue. In the last class, we learned some words like books, chalk, pencil. We learned the Igbo names for them. So today, we will also continue to look at the Igbo names for other items that can be found in a school. Uwe akwụkwọ. Uwe akwụkwọ is school uniform. Uwe akwụkwọ. Akpa akwụkwọ. Akpa is a bag. Akpa akwụkwọ, school bag. Ọba akwụkwọ is a library. Ọba is a barn. So a barn of books is a library. Then oche. Oche is chair. And table is called table. Some words are borrowed from English. In Igbo language, we just have some words that are translated directly from English, and table is an example.